Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherry, and in today's video we are going to be talking about two of my Tory Burch bags. These are the only two that I have in my collection. They are tote bags. So if you're interested in this video, of course subscribe and please keep watching. Alright you guys, so the first bag that I'm going to talk about today is this Tory Burch bag. This is the Mcgraw Tote. It is in a pale, like ice blue color, and the inside is a dark blue color. This bag is all leather, the inside and the out. It's a structured bag, but it is very soft. And while the color would suggest that it's good for spring, this bag is really good for all year round. I was first drawn to this bag when I saw it on another YouTuber's page called Chase Amy, and she actually had a different version of this bag, but then this bag became available. She had the Perry tote, so I'll try to put a picture of the Perry tote on, and I missed out on that bag, but then they came out with this bag. Now Tory Burch has since discontinued this bag, but they always have tote bags that you can grab, and I really like Tory Burch's tote bags because they do come in leather. They are made of very good quality. The only bag that I don't like from Tory Burch are the ones made in the Saffiano leather. I do not care for Saffiano leather, so I don't buy any bags from any brand in Saffiano leather, and that's primarily the reason why I've actually have never bought Prada bags, because I don't prefer Saffiano leather, or I'm not into nylon bags. So I would probably never buy those bags, but never say never, but right now I'm just not interested in that brand because of those two things with their bags primarily. But this bag is a very nice size tote. I have a very large, it's a 15-inch laptop, but it's more like a 17-inch because it's very heavy and it's very large, and it fits in here very comfortable. When you order from, I ordered this one from Tory Burch's website. When you order bags from their website, they come with this packaging here. I'll move this so I can show you. Their bags get shipped to your home in a huge box, and they come in this packaging here, and this has a flap on it where it folds like that. And I actually have an unboxing of this bag on my channel. I will link it for you all to see. This bag does come with a dust bag, but I have actually never used a dust bag. It's in here, and I do keep it stuffed, very minimally stuffed, not much. It does come with a dust bag, and here is the interior. It's dirty because when I first got it, I was obsessing over it, and I carried it for about 8 months. Alright. It has a pocket. Nothing secure in the pocket. It doesn't zip or anything, so you have to be mindful of that. And for the closure, it has the clasps and a hook where you can connect them together right here. And then it has this little tassel detail for decoration. So this is a nice size bag. One of the things I will say, when you get a bag that's light in color like this, on the exterior, you have to be careful of dirt marks, dirt stains. I've scratched up the leather. I have some blemishes. Not sure if you can see that, where I have scratched the leather on something, so the leather is kind of rolled. You might not be able to see it because of the lighting, but the leather is damaged for the most part. Not really bad, just you can tell it has some wear to it. It's well loved. It's dirty. When I first got it, I was really diligent about wiping it off right after every use. I would wipe off the base with just some water, and it would come right off. But of course you'll get stains on this, or scuffs that just can't come out the leather. But nonetheless, I still love this bag. It is still in beautiful condition. And this bag is definitely by far my favorite bag in my collection. I don't carry it much now because I know I cannot get this bag again. So I am preserving the bag for the most part, where I still use it, but I'm very picky when I use it. And I just want to prolong the longevity of this bag, so I don't carry it as continuous as I was doing before. So because I do want to have this bag for as long as I can in my collection. So I'm going to wear this bag out. I tend to keep tote bags for a very long time, until the handle breaks, until they pretty much are no longer functionable. Like something has to be wrong with the bag for me to stop carrying it. So while I'm not a tote bag girl for purses, because I carry a lot of things to work, lunch, books, papers, workout clothes, whatever I can fit in it, I'm taking it to work with me. And then because we're working from home, that's the other reason why I haven't been using this bag. Alright. But it has held up, so if you can find one of these pre-loved, which you can, they are available on the pre-loved market, I definitely say get it. It's well worth it if you get it for a great price. I think I paid at the time $2.58 for this bag when I bought it. So I wouldn't pay that much for a used one, but you definitely want to get a really good price for something when you're buying it pre-loved, okay? So here's my review of the Tory Burch Mcgraw Tote. If you have any questions about this bag, definitely leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Alrighty, bye.